Need to download apps and games on iPhone without the password? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can download it. Start by moving into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then head over to Screen Time. Now move into Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enable this option and then move into iTunes and App Store purchases. For the required password, set the settings to Don't Require. Once done, now go back to the previous page of settings and then head over to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode of your device. Once you have entered, you need to make sure that the iTunes and App Store is enabled. Once it has been enabled, now if you head over to your App Store, then you will be able to download any of the apps and games without the password. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.